Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some most stunning and easy to make ideas of crochet coasters. These are crochet coffee cup or teacup coasters ideas. Very attractive and gorgeous designs are included in this video, which are all beginner friendly too. And these are very easy and quick to make. Most of the designs are just having simple rounds of double crochet stitches, and the last two rounds are made in different patterns for border edging design, and all of these patterns are attractive and gorgeous. So I hope you're gonna love them all. You can see the color schemes in these patterns as well. These patterns contain different crochet color schemes. Very attractive and stylish color schemes are used in these designs. You will see light color schemes as well, and dark color schemes are also used in some of the designs. So just give them a try if you know crochet work by taking a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. And you can visit my channel and get tutorial videos of these kinds of coasters as well, which are already available on my channel. And if you are interested in any specific tutorial video of coaster which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial video on your request too. So stay connected and do subscribe to my channel if you are new to get more ideas videos and tutorial videos of crochet work on my channel. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover. You can see different kinds of coasters are included in this video. You will see some heart shaped coasters as well, and lace dolly pattern are also included, and you will see floral designs of coasters in this video as well. A few of the designs of sunflower coasters are also included, so all of them are unique and different from each other. And you will find almost 35 plus ideas in this video, which is having different kinds of crochet patterns, different color schemes and different sizes as well. You can just make them in different sizes and different styles. You can make table placements with the same patterns by just increasing the number of rounds as well. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.